One of the questions I get all the time is work-life balance. How do I have time for everything? How do I work 80 hours a week, make my kids basketball games, take my wife out to dinner, do all these things? Well, I got to tell you right now, I don't know if there is such a thing as a work-life balance. What works for me is I blend them together. When I'm out and about, I try to stay off my phone as much as I can, but I'm going to be honest with you. I'm looking at those emails. I'm looking at it because at the end of the day, a lot of the things we do, other people do as well. So we have competitors. Customer service is going to make the difference, right? I need to make sure that my customers feel like that they can depend on me. At the same time, I need to make sure that my family can depend on me. So I think it's more of a blending than carving out specific time in, time out. The leaders out there who run these businesses, you're putting 80 hours in a week. That doesn't make it good or bad. It just makes it a reality. So involve your family, involve your spouse, involve your partners. Let them know what's going on and put the time in as it's necessary. And as the leader, you're going to have to be able to have two competing thoughts in your head at all times, right? I need to be here to look after my business and make sure it's going. I need to be here to look after my family. I need to have social obligations. You're going to do the best you can. You're going to realize you're not going to get it perfect every time. Give yourself a little bit of grace, right? Give yourself a little bit of grace. And the way you do that, one of the big pieces, communicate. Let people around you know what's going on. Let them know what's happening. Doesn't mean they're going to like it, but at least you're doing your part of it. So look, you've dedicated your life to this. Time to take it on. So get out there, make something happen. Make sure this time is worthwhile for you and your family and the team around you. All right. Have a great day, everyone.